Welcome everyone to our Live Good Affiliate Marketing presentation. Now, if you're someone who is an OFW employed or you are self-employed right now who want to have an extra income or side hustle, well, maybe para sa'yo to. Or if you are a student or kung tambay ka or senior right now and you want to, use your spare time or use your free time para magkaroon ka ng sarili mong income, well, para sa'yo to. Okay? Ngayon, samahan niyo ako because matututunan niyo dito kung paano niyo magagamit yung technology niyo na hinahawakan niyo right now, yung cellphone niyo, yung laptop niyo, paano siya magiging tinatawag nating money-making machine. Yan. Through, of course, business, no? A revolutionary business that help a lot of people, not just here in the Philippines, but worldwide, no? Thousands actually, hindi lang thousands upon actually millions na, no, na mga tao ang natulungan ng opportunity na 'to. Kaya I want you to tune in and don't tune out. So, before tayo mag-proceed, pakilala muna ako. So again, welcome. I'm Coach Martel Dagasdas and I'm one of the Live Good Pioneer. Okay, so po tayo nasa actually in fact nasa 3 years pa lang po no ang ating company and that's still a pioneer and I'm also a professional network marketer. I've been in this industry for a quite a while time because I started in the industry at a very young age and one of the speakers bureau of our team sa DMW and full-time na po tayo dito. So this is our bread and butter already and I'm the founder of my team Zil Empire. So shout out po sa ating team dyan and currently a platinum rank member. And of course, this presentation is not all about me but rather it's all about you, your goals, your dreams, kung paano ba natin ma-attain yan this year through the help of this opportunity. Okay, again, I want you to tune in and don't tune out. So before tayo mag-proceed, meron tayong short disclaimer to set the right expectation. Ano bang expect natin dito? Okay? Take note that this presentation is intended to provide a general overview of Live Good business opportunity. It does not constitute legal, financial, or even investment advice. So, wala tayong binibigyan na advice dito. Kumbaga, ang isi-share ko po sa inyo are for educational purposes only. Okay? And all potential earnings mentioned are illustrative only and hindi dapat i-consider typical. Kasi in any kind of business, here or even sa labas, no, lahat ng success, it is determined by your own efforts at the time you invest. Okay, hopefully clear po tayo dyan. So before tayo mag-proceed, meron muna akong i-share sa inyo na teaser, okay, or a short clip of our CEO, si Ben. No, he'll be sharing to you on who and what this company is and why he created this company called Live Good. So let's watch first the short video of our CEO, Ben Glinsky.
Hi, my name is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Since we launched just a few short years ago, LiveGood has become the fastest growing company in the entire health and wellness industry and the fastest growing company ever in the network marketing industry. And we haven't just broken records, we have absolutely shattered them, with over 2 million people already having joined LiveGood in just the first few years. Hundreds of thousands of people all over the world are generating extra income from home, paid out over $100 million in commissions, introduced close to 50 of the highest quality, life-changing products. We've been featured all over the internet, on podcasts, news articles, even on TV. We are changing lives. And the most exciting part is this is just the beginning. So how has Live Good become so successful the past few years while so many other companies are struggling, losing customers, and going out of business? One word: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in the wellness space, trends in the economy. What worked 5 or 10 years ago isn't working today. The world has changed. Buying habits have shifted. Consumers are not spending money the way they used to. They're getting smarter. They're comparing quality, comparing ingredients, value, and no longer blindly believing anything they see or hear on the internet. People are looking for ways to save money without compromising quality. And companies still doing it the old way, making a product for $5 and trying to sell it for 60, doesn't work anymore. In the words of our Director of Field Development, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. People want and deserve value. They want high quality for a fair price. And that's exactly what we're doing at Live Good. Alongside our world-class team, including industry expert Lisa Goodkin and leading formulator, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the scientific mind behind our products, creating only the highest quality, cleanest, healthiest, premium nutritional supplements and making them available for just a few dollars above cost. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than best-selling non-organic Super Beets for half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 750 milligrams CBD for as much as $80. We have the highest quality premium USDA certified organic CBD oil available anywhere for just $14.95. So what does this mean for you? Well, on top of saving a ton of money on the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to help you get healthy, stay healthy, and do it in an affordable way, we also have the most powerful opportunity to earn income as well. When you have the highest quality supplements at the lowest prices anywhere, it makes it very easy for people to understand and want to join. And on top of having products that literally sell themselves, we also have the simplest and most duplicatable compensation plan and Powerline-driven marketing system the industry has ever seen, proven by over 2 million members joining in just the first few years. So the way the Powerline works, when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position in the Powerline and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our 2x15 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. Each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. Now, since it's a 2x matrix, that means everyone has 2 frontline positions. Once those 2 spots are filled, the only place everyone else can go is under the people who are already in. So anyone who falls below you in the matrix, whether you enrolled them or they were placed there by someone else, you will get paid on them. So even one person in your matrix who goes to work and builds a team could very realistically be earning you hundreds of dollars a month in residual income. And if you want to earn even more, just by enrolling 2 people, you triple your earning potential by qualifying for our matching bonuses. Without enrolling people, you have the potential to earn up to $2,047 per month in the matrix. If you decide to share the products and opportunity with others, there's no limit as to how much you can earn. Just by being a member of Live Good, not only do you get to save money on the highest quality products at the lowest prices every day, but getting in this early, you also have a huge opportunity to get in before the real growth happens. 2 million members in just our first few years is absolutely amazing. Never been done before in the history of the home-based business industry, but that is a tiny number compared to where we're going to be in the next few years. None of us are getting everything we need out of our daily diets. Everyone needs nutritional supplements. 60% of people are already using supplements. That's over 5 billion people worldwide, and Live Good is the only company on the planet offering the highest quality, cleanest, healthiest, premium products at the lowest prices anywhere. Talk about a competitive advantage. Once people see Live Good, they can't unsee it. Nobody is going back to spending $60 on a greens powder when they could get the best one on the market for $19.95. That's why over the next few years, as millions and millions of people hear about Live Good, we fully expect 10 million, 20 million, potentially 50 million people or more to join Live Good. It just makes sense. And the only place for them to go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in. So the sooner you lock in your position, the sooner people can be placed in your team. Don't miss this opportunity. Fill out the form on the right, check out all of our life-changing products on the website, and it's not hard to see why millions of people are making the switch to Live Good. Getting healthy, staying healthy, doing it in an affordable way, and earning extra income in their spare time from home with Live Good. Fill out the form. We'll see you at the top.
Alright, see you all at the top. So at least right now, meron na po kayong idea on who and what this company is. So syempre sa ating AMP ngayon, i-explain ko po kung ano po yung sinabi ng ating CEO. Kaya samahan niyo po ako dito po sa ating AMP. Again, tune in and don't tune out. So with that, welcome again to this amazing company called Live Good. So Live Good launched globally on December 13, 2022, and it is a US-based direct sales company focused in the wellness and digital service industry. So for now, nasa 3 years na po tayo. Okay, that means na ito paano, no? Nasa pioneering stage pa lang po ang ating company. And of course, here are some reasons, no? I know may iniisip nyo bakit ito. Alam ko maraming mga opportunities, mga companies out there, mga may ingay rin. So ngayon, why live good? Ayan. So maraming reasons, but I'll give you 6 muna for now. Okay? So number 1, we have this amazing product. So you say amazing, transparent, third-party tested, and at the same time, organic yung mga products po natin. Okay, I know, sabihin nyo, marami namang mga magandang products out there din. But here's the twist. Dito po, we have incredible prices. Yes, you heard that right. No? Sinabi po ng CEO natin na people want and deserve value. So, to give you value, no? Better value actually, we have incredible prices. Ngayon pa lang, bigyan ko po kayo ng hint. Ang mga prices po natin dito are factory or wholesale prices. Yes. No? So, how is it possible? Mamaya explain din po natin. So, dito, amazing products na, incredible prices pa. And number 3 and 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy. So, hindi ka po dito pipilitin na bumili ng products every single month. You buy here ng mga products whenever and whatever you want. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. That means within 90 days, pag nabili mo yung products, hindi mo nagustuhan or nagkaroon ka ng adverse effects sa health mo, which is malabo po yung mangyari because of course, quality mga products natin. But if ever, no, pwede mo isauli yung lalagay ng products and no questions asked, ibabalik po sa inyo yung pera mo. So, ganun po tayo ka-confident, no, when it comes to quality, purity, and potency ng product po natin. And number 6, number 1, business to join. So, bakit number 1? No? So, sa 3 years po ng ating company, so kahit pa paano, meron na po tayong track record. Yan. Unang-una na dito sa business for home. And take note po, sa hindi po nakakalam ang business for home, it is like a Forbes magazine of direct selling industry. So, nandyan po yung mga popular, not just popular, but new companies, nagpapa-enlist po dyan, and tinitingnan po nila, no? Tinatala po nila lahat, the sales, no? The news and everything. And alam nyo po ba, na-rank lang naman po tayo triple A plus opportunity since 2024. That means na ang company po natin, nakitaan po nila na maganda, marketable, profitable, and at the same time long-term and credible company na pwede natin gawin. Yan. So, kumbaga sa school pa, para magkaroon kayo ng much deeper idea, si Live Good po ay with highest honor ang inaward po ng Business for Home. So, that speaks for itself. And at the same time, hindi lang yan. Siyempre pagka kumbaga sa isang negosyo, no? Pag marami yung tumatangkilik. Let's say for example, 'di ba, yung restaurant, no? Pagka maraming kumakain, syempre ibig sabihin merong maganda po talaga yung luto nila and maganda talaga yung pagkain nila doon, no? Same goes with the business. Ngayon, here's the good news. Kasi in 13 months time, na-feature tayo sa DSN, nag-celebrate po ng 1 million members. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang thousands, hindi lang 10, 20, 100, half million, kundi 1 million members ang company, just 13 months time. And that's record breaking, no? Because other companies, they took around 3, 5, even 10 years, no? To hit their first million members. Pero sa atin, in just 13 months time. Ibig sabihin, there's something in this company, no? Ayan. So, ngayon, hindi lang yan. Okay? According as per our owners, in less than or 3 years na kasi tayo ngayon eh. In 3 years tayo, nakapag-payout lang naman po tayo ng 140 million plus in commissions. So, that means na ganun po tayo ka-generous. Imagine mo, alam niyo po ba sa ibang company, pangarap po yan nila na sales, no? 3 years, 5 years na sales. Dito po, no? In just 3 years time, nakapag-payout tayo ng ganong halaga. So, ganon siya ka-generous. So, syempre, kung makikipag-partner ka sa isang company, much better na dun ka sa generous. Kasi at least, mag-e-effort ka, ang effort mo ay talagang bayad and sobra-sobra pa. No? Without, of course, compromising the company, no? Kasi may iba na pro distributor, nalugi yung company. So, magsasara din. So, no. So, ang maganda dito kasi it's a win-win. So, kahit napaka-generous ng company, kumikita pa rin ang kumpanya. O, di ba? And hindi lang yan, no? For now, nasa 2.2 million members and affiliates na po tayo worldwide. That means na ganun po tayo ka pinagkakaguluhan. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. Now, kung first time yung narinig itong company na to, well, okay, good news kasi syempre explain po natin 'yan and samahan niyo ako hanggang sa dulo ng ating presentation para talagang ma-observe niyo kung ano talaga yung meron dito. Okay? And share ko lang sa inyo of course itong unang-unang ating corporate team. So sa mga bago at mga especially mga first timer before joining, kailangan titingnan niyo po muna ang may-ari, no? Ayan, kasi meron tayong tinatawag na foundation. Ayan, type mo dyan, foundation. Ayan, hindi po yung nilalagay sa mukha. Okay? Foundation, pundasyon, no? In any company, tinitingnan po natin, kailangan tinatawag tayong three-piece. Yan. Anong three-piece yan? Unang-una, company profile, company product, and company pay plan. Okay? Company profile, ibig sabihin the people behind the company. Kasi kahit maganda yung product, at the same time, yung pay plan, kung yung owner is hindi naman credible or alam mo yun, parang nagtayo lang para mag-testing, so mahirap po. Magsasara din, mahirap, 'di ba? Ayan. So you want long-term company. Tama. Ayan. So ngayon, I'm proud na i-share sa inyo starting from our owners. Ayan ang ating corporate team, starting from our CEO, si Ben Glinsky, narinig po natin kanina. Alam niyo po ba that he has over 20 plus years of experience in this kind of industry, in this business. So, ibig sabihin po ay hindi po tayo pag-eksperimentuhan kasi veterano po. He's also an IT guy. So alam niya po no when it comes to of course our software, no? Kung ano yung direction natin and alam niya po mag-troubleshoot, no? Kasi we have experience actually in my previous company. Take note po sa mga andito, this is not my first company. Sa previous company po natin, alam niyo po ba, share ko lang konti, nasabotahe po ang aming may-ari doon because of the IT. Pero dito, hindi po yun mangyayari because our CEO itself is an IT guy. In fact, no, nagpaparenta po siya, no? Ayan, meron po siyang software company, no? Ayan. Okay, nagpaparenta po siya sa ibang company. Oh, so gano'n po aganda. So very force credible and masabi ko nga with the skills, no? With the skills and alam mo yun, yung pagka-create ng company na to, masabi ko pong para siyang si Elon Musk of the selling industry. Kasi napaka-genius po talaga eh. No? And he has also that heart para tumulong sa especially sa everyday people, no? And maririnig natin siya every week kung saan tayo papunta, ano yung mga bagong updates, as in talagang he has that leadership, no? And the heart to really help people, no? Ayan. So, ayan po, no? And katuwang din po niya ang ating Director of Field Development si Noder Kazan. So, he has over 30 plus years naman po in experience of this kind of business. So, that means na Ibig sabihin, yung mga owners pa lang po natin in the business side is mga veterano na po talaga. Again, hindi po tayo eksperimentohan dito kasi nagawa na po nila. Okay? And expert na po sila in this kind of field. Kaya panatag po tayo, no, that this company will be a long-term company. Of course, di po natin alam yung pwedeng mangyari so araw bukas, no? But with what we have right now, no, talagang alam natin na panatag tayo that we are set for long term. No? And katuwang din po nila ang ating Director of Product Development and Product Education, si Dr. Ryan Lisa Goodkin. So sila po yung in charge, specifically si Dr. Ryan, in charge sa pag-create ng products, no? And tumutulong sila at the same time sa pag-educate, pag-share ng informations, how to become healthy, how to utilize our products, no? And mag-educate sa atin, no? Ayan, if mag-email po tayo, it comes sa ating health din, yan, email tayo kay Lisa, no? Sumasagot po siya. Okay, makakuha po tayo ng sagot coming from them para mas ano po tayo, kumbaga guided sa decisions natin when it comes to taking our products. Right? So sila po mismo nagte-take ng mga products po natin. They are also healthy, no? Kaya panatag tayo, no, na yung products po natin talaga ay maganda, no? And organic and potent. Ayan. So, they all have seen everything sa health and wellness, sa pharmacy industry. Kaya they make sure when they create products, quality po talaga. So, ngayon, okay, ito self-explanatory lang naman po, no? Goal natin. Simple lang, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it, and to help people earn easier and faster than any other company in the industry. So, ang maganda po dito because lahat ng products natin, for now, nasa 50 plus na po yung products natin, no? So, yun po yung maganda kasi almost every month or every 2 months, nagre-release po tayo ng products, no? And ang dami pong nakapila as in grabe, hindi po matatapos. Okay? And because we are in a different type, no? Different type of doing a business. Mamaya mas explain natin 'yan, no? Kung bakit gano'n. Okay? And certified tayo by the GMP and USDA, that means organic yung mga products natin. And di lang 'yan, meron tayong mga lab tests for purity and potency. So meron tayong mga certifications, okay? Naka-publicly listed din po sa ating website, no? Yan, check nyo po yan doon na may mga test po talaga yung mga products po natin. Nagpapatunay na quality and maganda po, no? And di lang yan, ito naman po, share ko lang sa inyo, yung mga new release ng mga products natin. Itong ating CBD gummies, yan, good for relaxation, recovery and comfort, no? Restful sleep, balanced mood, no? And marami pa. Not just that, ito naman ating NAD+, naku, ang daming health benefits ito, especially sa mga tumatanda na, no? Kasi as we age, no? Talagang marami na rin yung health natin, no? Nagkukulang na rin sa nutrition, no? Yan. So, ang maganda dito kasi it supports cellular energy, brain health, DNA repair, metabolism, and healthy aging. Okay, and ito bagong-bago natin na parasite cleanse. Ayan. So, ito po, di po natin alam sa sarili natin. Siyempre, sa mga mahilig din kumain ng mga medyo hilaw pa. Ayan, sa mga sushi, ganon. Okay, di lang yan. Paglalakad ng nakapaalang sa labas. Yan, nakakuha din po tayo dyan ng mga parasite, no? Ayan, so in this one, it helps eliminate. Hindi lang po yung parasite na mismo, kundi pati yung lahat ng cycle, the egg, no? And yung lahat po, no? And it supports microbial balance, digestion, and bile flow, and energy and well-being. And marami pa po. Ayan. Okay? And of course, we are a legit company registered in Florida, USA. And marami din po tayong of course, mga certifications, no? Ayan, meron po tayong nakikita niyo sa screen niyo. So, hindi ko na po isa-isahin, no? Para hindi po tayo humaba, no? Na nagpapatunay na quality, organic, and wala pong nahalo na kung ano-ano sa products natin. And syempre, dahil iba-iba yung pangangailangan natin, take note that there's no such thing as, kumbaga, magic pill, di ba? Na pag tinake mo, lahat ng ano sa katawan mo mawawala na, di ba? Hindi po. Okay? So we believe po, no, in our company that meron po tayong mga kanya-kanyang pangangailangan lang. Tama? Specific needs like men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, no? Body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, okay, and etc. So our company keeps creating products tailored specifically sa pangangailangan ng ating katawan. 'Di ba? Ayan po. And paano tayo mag-order dito? You can order as a consumer or member. And both of them, you can pay lower prices, especially if you are a member. And of course, yung quality, check na no. And wala na tayong question doon. How about the price? Ayan, dito na po tayo medyo magkakatalo kasi I know maraming mga companies out there na maganda yung products and even siguro ikaw na try mo na rin, no? Pero ang pricing, no, mabubutas naman yung bulsa mo sa presyohan. Pero dito, here's the good news. O tayo po dyan, good news. Yan, ang good news po natin because our products are not just quality but fair price. Yes, not just fair. I could say wholesale and factory price, almost factory price. And itong ating greens, example na lang po, no? Ang daming health benefits niyan, no? Alam ko, lahat pamilya na tayo nito, no? So, dito sa Pilipinas, no? Talamak na po yung mga barley, no? Ano yun po ba, if we try to compare 350 grams, no? Sa iba, ito, good for 30 days po sa atin eh. Alam nyo, sa iba, binibenta po yun nila around 3,600 to 6,000 pesos. Yes po. Alam niyo sa atin magkano lang? Isama mo na po shipping fee, around 2,000 lang, more or less. More or less 2,000 pesos. Grabe, ganun siya ka-affordable. Essential oils natin, no? There are billion-dollar companies, especially in the US, no? Binebenta yan nila, 6 essential oils, around 8,000 to 13,000 pesos. Alam sa atin magkano lang? Around 3,000 mahigit. Grabe 'no? And therapeutic grade 'yan. Of course, may mga testing tayo niyan, papatunay din na of course maraming benefits at the same time. Itong black seed, the remedy for everything but death, 'no? And maraming benefits din. Alam mo sa ibang company binebenta 'yan nila ng up to $50. Sa atin around 1,500 approximately. Oh, grabe 'di ba? Oh, tapos 5% pa. 5% thymoquinone. Sa iba 1%, 2% lang. Sa atin 5%. Which is yun po yung compound na responsible para tumulong po sa health natin. Kaya pag nagte-take ka niyan, nagkakaroon tayo ng magandang effect sa health natin. Ayan. So marami pong peer-reviewed studies yan. Ako, i-search nyo po. Grabe. Okay, itong collagen, maraming health benefits na rin. Alam po natin yan and very popular, especially here in the Philippines. Sa iba, binibenta ng up to $80. Sa atin, around 30, sorry, 3,000 pesos. Ayan, 3,000 pesos lang. 'Di ba? So, alam ko mapapatanong kayo, how is it possible? Hindi ba malulugi yung company? Because when I discovered this one, okay, company profile check, the product super check, pero napapa-question ako, how is it possible? No, how is it possible? Kasi mostly, yung iba talaga mahal kasi doon nila kinukuha yung commission, okay, binibigay sa mga distributors, diyan kinukuha yung mga, of course, pasahod sa mga offices, mga owners, yung mga advertisement, etc. Ngayon, how is it possible? Ayan, actually, papunta tayo doon, okay? Kaya, tune in lang kayo, okay? And, ngayon, ito yung sobrang na-appreciate ko rin. When I discovered this one, sabi ko, totoo ba to? Kasi, for me, no, based din sa mga research ko, nakikita ko no sa ibang companies, they open countries one country lang at one country at a time. Okay, one country at a time. Kumbaga this year mag-open sila sa ganitong country, sa India, ayan, open sila sa Nigeria, ayan, mag-open naman sa France. Okay, so paisa-isa, no? Paisa-isang country. Pero ito, kaka-launch pa lang ng company, I was mind blown kasi open kaagad po siya. Since day one, 200 plus countries and territories. Ibig sabihin, ito nakikita niyo mga countries right now, anong ibig sabihin yan? Magagawa natin negosyo, matatanggap natin yung products once we order, and matatanggap din po natin ang ating commissions. Ganong kalupit, ganong katindi. At ito yung hindi po nakikita din ng iba. Okay? And sobrang appreciated ko po ito kasi iba talagang nag-invest sila, maglalagay sila ng office. Ito hindi po because we are 100% online. Kaya since day one, available na po tayo kagad sa mga countries and territories na to. No? Ayan. Oh, meron tayo sa Uzbekistan, Russia, dito sa Pilipinas, Indonesia, Africa, di ba? Marami yan. Nigeria, South Africa, Uganda, no? Senegal, DRC, Naku, hindi ko na maisa-isa yan. O Vietnam, of course, the US, Bangladesh, Sweden, and India, and many more. No? So, ibig sabihin now, o baka meron po ditong naka-tune in, nanonood, if you are a floating networker or if you have experience na in direct selling or an MLM, naku guys, you have to understand this one because this is so huge. I could say na ito ay sleeping giant company sa totoo lang. And we are not yet started yet. We have not yet started, no? Kumbaga ano pa lang 'to, patikim pa lang po ito. 'Yung nangyayari. Because grabe po yung vision ng ating owners, 'no? Oh, so intindihin niyo po ito na ito ay sobrang malaking opportunity po talaga, okay? And ang market natin literally dito walang saturation. Well, other companies 'no, nagsa-saturate na sila, ito wala. Kahit umabot po tayo ng 50, even 100 years, hindi mo masa-saturate kasi bakit? Global po tayo, eh, global business. Okay. Ayan. So, ngayon, how is it possible? Highest quality products at wholesale or factory price. Bakit? Simple answer, business model. Ano ba yung business model natin? Simple lang. And I know a lot of you are aware na or baka mamaya meron ka nito at marami. Ayan sa cellphone mo. Okay? So ngayon, anong business model natin? Simple lang po. Ano yon? Subscription. Ano bang subscription na 'to? It is a business model where people pay regularly, monthly or yearly to access products, services, or benefits. Ngayon, meron ka bang naalala? Meron ka bang naalala na binabayaran mo every month? Ayan, every month. Sige nga, type mo nga diyan. Meron ba? O kung meron, type mo. Okay? O, para matulungan ko kayo. Okay, kung familiar kayo sa mga companies na 'to, itong mga popular club membership companies. We have Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Disney Plus, Costco, and Rocket Car Wash. So, anong common sa kanila? People pay regularly, either monthly or yearly to enjoy the benefits they offer. Ano po yun? Access to free shipping, discounts, or even unlimited movies or unlimited car wash. Okay? So yun po. And if you're familiar with this one, ayan, Prime Water, ayan, babay kayo kuryente, tubig, naghulog kayo ng SSS nyo para in the future magkaroon kayo ng pension. Hmm. Ba? So, parang ano na po siya, subscription na rin. Kasi you expect something in return din. Di ba? Kasi meron silang in-offer service. Okay? So yun, mas pag-usapan natin 'to kasi ito yung hindi alam ng karamihan, 'no? And itong company po natin, so itong si Live Good ay mas malapit po yung concept po natin if you know SNR Landers. Yan, sino po familiar? O nakapag-shopping na? Ayan, sino po? Okay? Kung nakapag-shopping na kayo diyan, ito mas maintindihan niyo po ang meron po tayo dito. Even Costco sa US and other parts of the world. Alam niyo po ba, ito pag-usapan natin Netflix na lang. They have about 300 plus million subscribers. 45.2 billion yung revenue and 10.4 billion net profit. So, na-imagine niyo na po ba gaano kayaman ang owners or yung company, no? Oh. Costco, 145 million members, 5.3 billion revenue sa membership fees alone last year. Though these companies offers amazing products and services, they don't have what Live Good has. Ano po yun? Memberships that pays. Ah, try natin i-compare, no? Live Good versus other companies. Yan. Sa ibang company, syempre, wala tayong question dyan. Magandang products, no? And of course, kasama tayo dyan and at the same time, services. Kaso nga lang, here's the twist. Sa iba, wala kang kita. Hindi ka makikita at all. As in, kahit nag-gym ka, di ba? Buy ka Netflix mo. Nag-shopping ka Costco, walang binigay sa'yo na income. No, wala, di ba? May benefits ka na nakuha. Pero dito, here's the good news. In Live Good, you can be consumer, member, affiliate, part owner, or even shareholder. Ayan, yes po, you heard that right. Na kahit hindi ka may-ari ng company, you can be a shareholder or a co-owner or part owner. Ayan, so yan yung good news ko sa inyo. Kaya patapusin nyo, kasi dito i-share ko po sa inyo kung paano mangyayari yan. Okay? Nasa dulo po ng ating presentation, kaya dapat mapatapos nyo po. Ayan. So ngayon, tatanungin ko muna kayo. Ayan, sa mga naka-tune in right now or if you're watching this live or if you're watching this on replay, tanong kita, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month. Yan. Na sino dito gusto kumita ng dollars? Pa-type ako ng dollar sign. O, ang hindi magta-type, hindi kikita ng dollars. Okay, kailangan patakutin, no? So, kidding aside, yan. So, sa mga nag-type, thank you so much. So, for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. Because dito, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano nyo magagamit itong social media nyo, itong phone or laptop nyo para maging money-making machine. Hindi lang peso, kundi dollars ang kikitain po natin. Yan, excited ka na ba? Excited ka o type mo dyan? I'm excited. Yun. Okay, so let's proceed, no? Ngayon, how can we become part ng company? So, kailangan natin mag-enroll. Kailangan natin mag-subscribe. Oh, tawag po sa atin affiliate member. So, kagaya po ng ibang subscription type of businesses, meron tayong dalawang options. Option number one natin, itong monthly. Magkano babayaran? Around $40 and $9.95. One-time affiliate fee and monthly membership fee. Or in pesos, that's 3,000. Approximately, guys, no? Depende sa palitan kasi ngayon medyo mataas na palitan eh. So, baka tumaas po yan. And in our succeeding months, that's 600 pesos. Yun lang. Yun lang yung OPEX mo. Oh, over the expenses mo, 600 pesos. Global business, US-based company, highest quality products at wholesale price. Nako, grabe. 200 plus countries. Yun yung operating OPEX mo. Okay, over the expenses. 'Di ba? Oh, pero dito, gusto mo ba ng libre? Yan. Oh, the good news, pero libre. O, type ako dyan. Free. Type mo free. Yan. So, ngayon, kung gusto mo ng libre, ito yung sasuggest ko sa inyo. Yan. Option number 2, yearly membership. Yan. Kasi meron kang affiliate fee na $40 and yearly membership fee na $99.95. Magkano yan? Approximately 8,400. Yan. So, ang maganda dito, saan yung libre dyan? Di ba, bayaran pa rin. May libre po, syempre. Meron kang libreng 2 months or $20. Kasi, di ba yung 1 year, 12 months? Instead na 12 months yung babayaran mo, 10 months lang. Kasi, yung 2 months, binigay na po sa inyo ng libre. Yan. Kaya, if I were you, kung gusto mo ng wise, makatipid, and wala ka nang iisipin every month, choose for yearly. Okay? Yan. So, ano naman yung benefits? And take note, before tayo mag-proceed, no, wala po tayong physical products, no? Kumbaga, isipin nyo po na parang nag-subscribe kayo sa Netflix, sa Canva. O, nag-enroll po kayo or nag-subscribe kayo po sa SNR, Landers, or sa Costco, di ba? Wala pang membership lang yun, di ba? Pag nagbayad kayo, right after nyo magbayad, tsaka pa kayo makakapasok. Ganun din po dito. Kaya sa ating membership fee, membership po na binayaran, purely membership lang po 'yun. Okay? So ano naman yung other benefits na makukuha natin? Okay? So ito yung kailangan natin maintindihan. We have access to membership club. So lahat po ng ating mga products and soon, kung magkaroon man po tayo ng services, ma-access po natin yan ng highest quality at lowest price or factory price. Ayan. So it makes sense na, di ba? Kasi yung iba kung bakit mahal yung products kasi doon kinuha yung commission. Dito, kumikita po yung company sa subscription. Kaya na-access natin na quality products, pure, potent, and factory price. Wholesale yung price na kuha natin. And not just that, digital marketing products. So lahat po ng mga ano po natin, no, yung mga tool system na provide ng company, ma-access din po natin yan. And we also have not just one, not just two, but 9. Yes, you heard that right, guys. Ganun ka-supportive yung ating owner. We have 9 replicated websites. Ano pong replicated na yan? Gawa na po na websites. Pag naging affiliate member ka, you will have access on that na pwede mo magamit, pwede mo gamitin pag market, and maganda niyan kasi merong pangalan mo sa taas. Yes, na parang sa'yo talaga yung website. But that is created by the company na pwede mo magamit. Grabe, di ba? We also have free online training via Zoom support. Of course, save up to 75% on our products compared to other companies and 9 ways to earn. So here are the sample of our websites or replicated websites, should I say. We have company site, landing pages, dalawa, English and Spanish. We have retail site, the long product sites, free detox, Live Good Clinic and Health, assessment, websites. Ayan. So, marami pa po yan. Ako guys, grabe, patikim pa lang po yan. Kasi grabe po yung vision ng company. And They will really provide everything, mga tools po talaga para mas makatulong pa sa mga members and affiliates. Okay? So ngayon, here's our compensation plan. No? Paano ba tayo kikita dito? Okay? So we have two, okay, two structure dito, no? Hindi na po ito yung traditional na MLM na one on the left, one on the right, preparing po tayo, kikita. Hindi na po. Okay? Dalawa po yung ating structure dito. We have unilevel, which is infinite wide. Unlimited yung pwede enroll and up to 10 levels deep lang. And we have matrix. Ito po yung medyo kakaiba po. And game changer 2x15 matrix, which is our frontline meron tayong dalawa, ang dalawa natin meron din tagdadalawa. And system po yung naglalagay sa ating lahat. Okay? Sa matrix po. No? And up to 15 levels deep. So, paano ba yan? We have 9 ways to earn. And I will not be discussing everything, yung mga importante lang para hindi po tayo ma-confuse, alam mo yun, ma-overfeed ng information. Yung mga importante lang po. Okay po ba yun? Because we have separate training or webinar for our detailed compensation plan. Okay? So, we have number 1, retail commission. So, we have 2 ways to earn dito. We have shop link and physical products. So, we have 2 samples here. We have super greens and reds. For example po, no, members price 18, real price is 24. So, yung price difference is $6, di po ba? So, ngayon, pag nakakabenta po tayo through our website, we can earn yung difference na $3. $3 sa atin, $3 sa company. Same goes with our team. Pag nakakabenta din po yung ating team under our organizations, meron po tayong earnings, certain percentage as well. International Wellness Pack, $30. Pagkano sa atin, 15. 15 sa atin, 15 sa company. Ayan. So, ganun lang po siya. Okay? So, ito naman, pag nakapag-refer tayo, nakapag-enroll. Ayan, parang school lang, no? Nakapag-enroll tayo o gusto mag-enroll, no? Para maka-discount din ako. Okay? Ngayon, kung gusto lang nila ng products, pwede po yun. Kung gusto nila ng products, we can enroll 600 pesos. That's $10. Ngayon, pag naka-enroll ka ng member lang, nagbayad ng $10, meron kang 300 pesos. If you enroll 10 members this week, in the following week, you will earn 3,000 pesos. Kasi weekly po ito binibigay. Okay? And pag nakapag-enroll ka ng po ng affiliate, nagbayad po ng 3,000 pesos or for 9.95, magkano kita mo? 1,500. No? And maganda dito kasi weekly din po ito binibigay. Na-enroll ka this week, 5. In the following week, tanggap nyo yung $125. And you can enroll as many as you can and earn unlimited $25. Okay? And ito po, no? Ito yung game changer. Mind-blowing at the same time. Alam niyo po ba? Fun fact, this part alone can easily beat other comp plan designs. Yes po, bakit? Dito pa lang, the company pays out up to 80% of the fast start bonus. Yes, especially depending on the rank, no? Pero up to 80%. Kasi up to 10 levels deep eh. And ito, example lang yung power of 5, no? Yung 5 nag-refer din ng 5. Let's say every month, yung 5 nag-refer ng 5 every month, no? In just 10 months time, no? Or sabihin natin in just 10 years, worst case scenario, you can earn up to 6 million plus US dollar in 10 years. That's 369 million pesos. Ngayon, saan ka makakita? Puhunan 3,000, US-based company, 200 plus countries available, na pwede kang kumita ng ganun. Wala. Only with Live Good. And that's the potential. That's the power. I'm not saying guys, no, na next month, next year, hindi po. That's the potential if ever na gawin po natin ito. Especially itong Power of 5 program po. O, di ba? Mm. So, possible po ba siya? Kasi nakikita niyo dito, di ba, 9 million na. Possible ba siya? Yes. Bakit? Tingnan niyo na lang po Amazon Prime, Netflix, no? O yung Costco. They have hundreds, 200, 300,000, 300 million members. Kaya, sa totoo po, posible po talaga siya. Yes, very possible. Okay? And ito po, no, alam niyo po ba itong ating top 10? Ayan, nakikita niyo naman po. Grabe naman. Sa top 10 natin, minimum, saan ka makita po ng 3,000 or 8,400, pwede kang kumita ng 7 figures pa lang, unang kitaan. Oh, no? Oh, top 9 natin, kumita ng 1.3, meron namang 1.7, 1.8, 2.2. Merong top 1 natin 3.8 million guys. Oh, grabe 'di ba? Gano'n katindi, gano'n kalaking kinita. Okay? Ayan. So, ito naman po yung ating, rank up, okay? Ayan, rank up system po natin sa ating company. We have hindi ko po i-discuss lahat 'no? Pero para magka-idea kayo, ang ating, first rank dito, ang ating bronze. Para mag-bronze, simple lang, 2 tao lang. Bronze rank ka na. Silver, how about the silver? At least minimum 20 total team. How about the gold? At least 100 na total team. Platinum 500 naman. Ang diamond is 2,500. Crown diamond at least 50,000 members. Okay? Ganun po siya. Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon, okay, dito naman tayo sa ating susunod doon na matrix bonus. So, dito sa ating matrix bonus, simple lang po. Ang gagawin natin dito, find to help to find to. Every time nakapag-build tayo ng subscribers, o type mo dyan, subscribers. Nakabuild tayo ng team of subscribers. Meron tayong commission, pag nagbabayad sila every month, under sa atin, meron tayong commission na 0.25 cents. Or 14 or 15 pesos. O, pwede na, 15 pesos. Parang sabihin mo, parang ang liit naman. Oo, maliit yan, pero wag ka. Yung mga Chinese, bahala liit, di ba? Basta madami. Di ba? Kasi lalaki din yan eh. Na, ang goal lang natin dito, ma-fill yung matrix natin. Ikaw, meron kang dalawa. Dalawa, meron din silang frontline tigda dalawa. Ikaw, 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. So ngayon, alam nyo po ba na dito, pag umabot po ng 8 level, may mapunong malagyan po yan ng 256 lang. Magkano kitain mo? $64 na. And pag napuno po yung 12 levels nyo po, no? You can earn 2,000 plus or 113,000 plus every month. Basta nagbabayad yung team natin, they enjoy the products, they enjoy the earnings dito. Nako, every single month nagbabayad, every single month kumikita sila at kumikita ka rin ng 100,000, 6 figures every month. That is month after month after month. No? And hindi lang tayo diyan nagtatapos. Meron din po tayong tinatawag na matching bonus. And ito po yung mind-blowing exciting part. And sa term po namin, no, dito po yung tinatawag na term namin dati, nakakabaliw, no? As in, nabaliw po kami. And ako personally, no, nabaliw ako sa ano po, no, sa potential niya kasi ngayon ako nakarinig, no? And sa mga bago po, no, baka nasa baliw. Hindi po yung nasa mental, kumbaga mind blown, no? As in mind blowing kasi dito lang po ako nakakita na 50%. You can earn 50% from your direct matrix pay. Ibig sabihin, kung magkano kinikita po ng personal enrollee mo, meron kang kalahati, 50%. Hindi po ibabawas sa kanya, ha? Iba lang yung sa'yo, iba lang din sa kanya. At sabi ko, grabe, totoo ba to? And matindi pa dyan, bakit? Mas mind-blowing, generational. Pag nag-rank up din yung team mo, meron ka nag-rank up sa baba mo, nag-silver, gold, platinum, even diamond, kahit sa 10, 15th level pa yan, pwede ka pa rin kumita. Up to 5th generation. Para maintindihan nyo, ganito po yan. For example po, ikaw yan, na-refer mo si Mateo. Yan, natulungan mo siya. Yan, dumami subscribers, nagbabayad ng 600 a month. Tama? Ngayon, kumita po siya na 10,000. Yung 15 pesos na yun, di ba yung kikitain niya, naipon yun, kumita siya 10K. Magkano sa'yo? That's 5,000. Ganon din si Marie, nakapag-build ng team, yung 15 pesos na ipon, kumita siya 5K, sa'yo, 2,500. Okay? Okay, si Lucy naman, kumita ng 15K, sa'yo 7,500. Arthur, kumita ng 1K, sa'yo 500. Robert, 20K, sa'yo naman is 10,000. So, the more directs you have, enrollees you have, the more you earn 50% from your matching bonus. Okay? So, ganun katindi. And infinite wide. Ito, share ko lang po sa inyo, no? Ayan. So, meron tayong mga disclaimer sa baba, guys. Okay? Ito po, no? Alam ko, ano na 'to, 2024 pa. So pakita ko lang sa inyo kasi that time medyo bago lang po na nag-diamond si Coach Ryan. Ayan, okey para makita niyo. Alam niyo po ba lumaki pa talaga yung team niya. 'Di ba yung 15 pesos, dumami, dumami po, 'no, na to the point kumita po siya ng 55,000 pesos sa matrix niya. Legit ba? Totoo ba? Guys, especially dito po sa mga, networker na, floating networker guys, tingnan niyo po ito. Ngayon, if you are really working, 'no, and gusto mo na magandang laban, nako, consider Live Good. Consider Live Good kasi grabe talaga, no? Ito po, no, kumita po siya 55,000. Magkano pong kinita natin that time? Totoo bang kalahati? Yes po, 939 kalahati, 469.50. Magkano sa atin? 27,000. Sa kanya pa lang po. Eh, yung mama ko, syempre enroll natin siya, natulungan ko siya makabuild ng team. Alam niyo magkano kinita niya? 37K. Totoo ba 50%? Yes po, 18K. Dave, kumita siya ng 18,000, sa akin 9,000. Malupit kasi generational to eh. Ito yung wala sa iba. Yan, may mga kumokopya, nanggagahaya, pero wala silang ganito. Wala silang ganito. Oh, ito, kapatid ko, enroll siya ng mama ko. Alam niyo po ba, hindi lang ako isang beses, kundi 3 beses ako kumita. Kumita siya that time, matindi. 42,000. O magkano kinita mo? Extra 4,000 plus, 2,000 plus, and another 2,000 plus. Eh, ang dami pa niyan. May $30, 20, 15, 10, 5, berong 1.25. In fact, umabot po yan ng 6 figures. 6 figures, guys. Ganun ka-generous po itong compensation plan na to. Nako, as in, grabe po talaga. Kung gusto niyo po ng ano, ng magandang laban, yung talagang effort mo masusuklian ng sobra-sobra pa, pang long term, nako, consider Live Good. And kung gusto niyo po talaga ng ano, residual, nako, eto na po, ang pinapangarap na residual income sa direct selling or MLM. Nangyari po yan talaga dito. Okay? Na darating yung time na kahit, alam mo yun, talagang nababakasyon ka, literally, pumupunta ka na lang sa iba't ibang bansa, naglilibot ka, you are with your family, bumibili ka ng kung ano, no? You still spend time with your business, pero hindi na sobrang 100%, kumikita ka pa rin because you have built your business. Ganun po yung potential ito, no? Okay, so grabe, grabe. Alright, kaya nga dito 'pag, nakapag-start ka, I encourage na kung kaya mong ipa-join at least dalawa of your family member na tatrabaho din, so much better. Pero 'pag hindi sila tatrabaho, okay, much better na makausap talaga na maganda ma-workout. Kasi darating yung time 'pag mapuno yung matrix niyo, matrix ng family mo, matrix mo, and may matching ka sa kanila, you can earn 500,000 in the future every single month. That is month after month after month after month, every single month. Saan ka makakahanap? US-based company yung pinag-uusapan natin na hindi lang sa Pilipinas kasi marami dito eh. US-based company, quality yung mga products, wala tayong question sa mga products na, and ganun ka-generous na company. O hindi lang yan, ito, pag naka-refer ka na 20, tulungan mo sila. Pagtulungan natin, pagtulungan nyo. No? Pag napuno yung matrix nila, may matching ka, each one of them, you can earn 7 figures every single month. That is month after month, every single month. Possible ba? Nangyari ba? Yes po. Meron na pong nakagawa ng ganyan. In fact, meron pong kumikita. Hindi na tayo maingay masyado social media, pero meron po. Okay? Ayan. So, ito po sample earnings po. Ayan ng ating Malive Good Affiliates. Ayan, nag-gold po siya. Ayan. O, medyo outdated na po yung date, pero ayan, para may kay idea, nag-gold siya. 17,000 kinita niya that time. Nag-platinum naman siya. Ayan, kumita lang siya ng extra 200,000. O, pwede na rin. Diba? So, ito pa. Dito na tayo sa co-owner na, shareholder. And alam niyo po ba, ayan, dito po, pag nag-diamond po tayo, i-hit lang po natin yung requirements po yan ng company para mag-diamond. 2% ng total sales, i-divide po equally sa lahat ng diamonds. For example po, kumita ang company sa sales ng up to 50M times 2%, that's $1 million. Let's say meron palang 200 diamonds. So lahat ng diamonds maghahati-hati ng $5,000. So ito po sample, yan si Coach Ryan, and siya po yung actually yung youngest na diamond in the Philippines. No? And alam niyo po ba, in 3 months time, hiningi po natin to kasi bago lang po siya ng diamond eh. In 3 months time, kumita po siya ng 900,000 plus. If isasama po natin yung weekly fast start na earnings po niya, nako, 7 figures po kinita niya in 3 months time. Alam po, ilang taon po siya? He was about 21, around 22. Yeah. Oh, 22 years old. Kumikita po ng ganun. 3 months time. No? Grabe, no? Ngayon, isipin mo, ano yung may tutulong yan? Kumita ka ng extra, o sabihin na lang natin extra 50, extra 100,000 na lang. Okay, kaya extra 20,000, anong may tutulong yan sa'yo? Sa pamilya mo? 'Di ba? paano pa kung ito rin yung maging future mo? Ay, grabe. Pero hindi pa nakontento yung company. Meron pa isa, Crown Diamond Bonus Pool, 0.5% naman total sales. Kanina 2%, ito 0.5. So, ganong scenario pa rin, 50M, no, times 0.5% to 50,000. Divide natin sa tatlong Crown Diamond, 83,000 US dollar. Okay? So, share ko lang din po sa inyo itong ating first Crown Diamond. Ayan, naka-wheelchair po siya. Grabe, inspiring. Literally, nasa bahay lang siya gamit ang cellphone niya, nag-Crown Diamond. Kung nakaya niya, makakaya din natin. Nagawa niya, magagawa din natin. Grabe. And in 13 months time, kumita po siya ng 1 million US dollar. Compute niyo kung magkano yung peso. Ngayon, medyo malaki na yung palitan. Grabe. Way back, ano pa po ito? 23. Yeah, 2023. 13 months time. Matindi, no? Isang buwan kita niya. 4.4M. 80,000 US dollar. Grabe, di ba? And that's our future. Okay? Ayan po. And, okay, ayan po yung mga kumita. And that includes me. Actually, meron pa pong isa na kung magkaroon po ng 10 Crown Diamond as per our CEO, magkakaroon ng additional na rank up. Ay, grabe. No? In the future, abangan natin. No? Royal Crown Diamond. Oh, okay. So, grabe talagang yung direction natin, no, nakaset talaga for long term. So, ang dami na pong kumita, no, hindi ko na po nalagay lahat, pero ang proof lang po nito talaga, the business is proven, tested, doable, duplicatable, and is set for long term po. Okay, kaya panatagbo tayo from our company owners, from our products, from our pay plan. Nako, kahit compute nyo sa mga baka meron networker po dito, no? Ayan, baka mag-overpay. Ano, ganyan din isip ko before eh. No? Kaya talagang tinatanong ko yung ano ko, enroller ko. Yan, baka mag-overpay out, baka malugi yung company. Kasi, paano ganun 3,000, 8,400, 600 a month? Kukita ng ganun? May kumita ng milyon in US dollar, hindi peso pinag-uusapan natin, US dollar. How is it possible? Hindi mo maluluging company. Nako, i-compute nyo pa. Ngayon may AI na po tayo. Mag-ask kayo sa AI. Is it, pwede bang mag-overpay out? Madali ngayon eh. May AI ngayon, may ChatGPT, may Claude, may Gemini. Nako, ang dami. Magtanong kayo. 'Di ba? Is pay plan of Live Good long term or is there possible of payout? Tanong kayo guys. Tinanong ko na, no? And sasagutin ko na kayo dito mismo. Hindi po. Hindi po, no? Hindi po talaga. Pero kung gusto niyo makasigurado, mag-search na rin kayo. Okay? Kaya talagang na-excite ako, no? Na-excite ako. Okay? Ayan. And as of now, nasa 2.2 members and affiliates na po tayo worldwide. Yes, and of course, tip of the iceberg pa lang po 'yan. In fact, even the 5 million, tip of the iceberg pa lang 'yan, no? And yung mega structure to 30 million members and affiliates, that's 10 to 20 years na projection po natin or vision. In fact, sabi pa ng CEO natin up to 50 million or even 100 billion. That's the vision po talaga. Grabe talaga mag-isip, owner natin. As in, ano talaga, big. Malawak, parang Elon Musk, no? Gusto makapunta ng moon. 'Di ba? Oh. And ang projection po natin for this year, 2026, will have at least 3 million members and affiliates worldwide. No? So guys, sa mga nandito, sa mga sumama sa atin until the end of our presentation, guys, huwag niyong palagpasin to. Now, if you are a student, employed, OFW, gusto ng extra income para sa ito. And if you are a floating networker, naghahanap ng bagong tahanan, you can do this at your home, no? 100% online, literally. No? Kasama mo yung pamilya mo, nag-e-enjoy ka. Hindi na yung, alam mo yun, yung mga traditional na, we're not against, of course, may mga nag-succeed naman, pero mostly kasi, puro tayo palabas, no? Ayan, pakain, di ba? Sa mga guest natin, di ba? Minsan, alam mo yun, kukunti na lang kinikita natin kasi, puro ano eh, palabas tayo, invest ng invest. Ito talaga literally, you can build this 100% online. Aralin niyo po, no? Nananawagan tayo, ayan, baka merong nanonood, naka-tune in mga networker din, floating network. Aralin niyo po. Aralin niyo po. Okay? Pag naaral niyo, nako, sabi ng aming CEO, once you see it, you can't unsee it. No wonder, no wonder right now 2.2M na tayo because it makes sense, no? From our leadership, company owners, from the products, highest quality, lowest price. Siyempre, doon ka talaga sa may value. And of course, the pay plan na talagang nakaset siya for long term. And that will really give you ang pangarap ng network marketing MLM na, alam mo yun, residual income. Naku, meron po talaga, nangyayari po talaga. Ako, patunay po yan, residual income po. No? Ayun yung pangarap natin na hindi tayo habang buhay magtatrabaho. 'Di ba? Na hahataw. Hindi po. Okay? Ayan, hindi po. Alright? Ayan, kaya again, welcome, no? Huwag niyong palagpasin to because we believe, okay, that we will be the next Amazon. Yes, we claim it. We will be the next Amazon direct selling industry. Okay? And mabilis to, guys. Mabilis to. Ano niyo yung train? Yan, 'di ba? Dadaan yan, bubukas yung pinto. Pag sumakay ka or hindi, sasarado yan, aandar. Ganon din po, okay, ito. Pero this is not just an ordinary train. No? Kung alam niyo po yung Shanghai Maglev, currently the fastest commercial train, no? Na tumatakbo ng up to 431 kilometer per hour, no? Mabilis po talaga ito. Gano'n kabilis. Pag pikit po, nakadilit tayo, pag pikit po natin at pag delete po natin, 'di ba, 2.2, 2.5 na, 3 million, 5 million, 10 million. 'Di mo namamalayan, ang dami nang nagjo-join, ang dami nang nagpapaka-healthy, ang dami nang kumikita, nababago yung buhay. Ang tanong, ikaw, kumusta? 'No? Kasi alam ko maraming beses tayong humawak 3,000 or 8,400. Naku, ang daming beses na. Ang tanong, saan napunta? Binili mo ng cellphone, oh, ano pa, binili mo sapatos, damit, oh, may kinita ka ba? Ayun lang. 'No? I'm not saying na masama 'yun, okey 'yun. Pero this time maging wise tayo, 'no? Na at least 3,000 mo, 600 a month or 8,400 for 1 year, 'no? Invest natin dito at trabahuin natin, 'no? Puhunan natin. Alright? Kaya welcome sa mga magiging part ng ating program, ng ating community, itong napakagandang negosyong ito, no? Welcome in advance. So ngayon, share ko lang sa inyo the remaining reasons why Live Good. Number one, we just officially launched globally. Again, nasa pioneering stage pa lang po tayo. And number two, we have high quality and very affordable health products. No, na sabi ko na po sa inyo kanina, okay, talagang proven and tested, and ang dami na pong mga testimonies, not just here in the Philippines but worldwide, no? Na gumagamit, take note, iba-ibang lahi yung gumagamit. Alright? And marketing system, tools, and trainings. Ito po, kaka-launch lang ng ating new landing page. As in, kung dati maganda, ngayon mas pinaganda pa. Grabe. Grabe po talaga, never humihinto ang ating owner to support our members and affiliates, even the customers. Okay? And of course, simple, powerful, and lucrative. Or in other terms, very generous. As in, napaka-generous po talaga. No? Kaya gusto namin syempre, ma-experience nyo gaano ka-generous ang company po natin by being part of this amazing company. Okay? And number 5, successful, fun, and winning team. So with that, do you want to become an A, B, or C? Do you want to become an affiliate member, or retail customer? So if ever you become an A. So before po tayo magtapos, I'll leave you with this one verse. I know, napaka-famous po nito. No? Sabi pa nga sa Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you." Yun sabi ni Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in the future. Guys, if you truly believe in your mind, body, and soul na may magandang plano si Lord sa buhay mo, and you've been praying, Lord, bigyan mo naman ako ng opportunity. Bigyan mo naman ako ng isang magandang opportunity na makakatulong sa akin sa sitwasyon ko. Either be health or either be in finances. Maybe lang, I'm not saying na ito talaga kasi kung nandito ka, well, baka, ito na. Ang kailangan mo lang is mag-take action because marami po sa amin, and that includes me, ako po talaga, pinag-pray po natin. Naging answered prayer po talaga siya. And it has really changed my life, my family's life, and a lot of people's lives dito po. And ang maganda nun kasi it makes sense. The business really makes sense. Pag naintindihan niyo po talaga siya. Okay? Kaya again, welcome dito po sa ating community. And I'm excited na ikaw naman, no? Ikaw naman ang magkaroon ng result, magpaka-healthy, and kumita ng extra or kumita ng life-changing income dito. So thank you so much. Get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or